Here's a 2018 Audi Q5. This is a luxury crossover with incredible beauty and technology inside and out. Features include turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver reports all the Q5s come with electrically assisted power steering that actually has a sufficient amount of feedback for an SUV. When you drive an Audi, the design and the performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.